Tom Shirley. We're here at Coldwell Banker on Bainbridge Island.
So listen, we've learned through experience that a lot of times when we're sitting down with clients that they have no idea that there's a really, really important document that really outlines the relationship we have with buyers and sellers and real estate agents.
Yeah, it's the law of agency, and what this does is it explains our duties, our responsibilities as real estate brokers.
Yeah, so we thought we would just go over them real quick and give you an understanding of what those duties and requirements are.
Yeah, so from an umbrella standpoint, and there's lots of different parts of this, but the overall effect is to act honestly, to act to the best of our abilities, and to use our skill set to its utmost capabilities.
That's right. And another one of the things that is really, really important is confidentiality. So you can imagine oftentimes when we're sitting at people's dining room tables, we may hear something regarding why they want to buy or sell some real estate. And I think it's really, really important to really get the ball rolling in the right way, is to let people know that that information remains confidential.
Yeah, we might come across their financial statements or financial things or family issues that are not to be shared. And from a confidentiality standpoint, that doesn't last just for the duration of a transaction, but forever.
That's right. Another thing that I think is really, really important for clients to understand is that we also are required to share with our clients in a timely fashion anything we learn during the course of the conversation to buy and sell and secure some real estate. Anything that's important and relevant to securing that's important to our client, and to work in good faith towards what is in their best interest.
Yeah, material facts come up in any transaction, and we might learn something from a home inspection or from a seller disclosure, or just overhearing somebody with a conversation at, say, an open house.
That's right.
And all of those things become imperative that our client knows that in a timely fashion.
Yeah. And so another thing that I think is really, really important to the law of agency is going ahead and providing resources to clients that are reliable resources. So if you're going ahead and providing, say, for example, an inspector that is a licensed, bonded inspector.
Yeah, at times somebody might need tax advice, so we refer to them a licensed CPA, or hopefully not, but maybe legal advice becomes necessary in a transaction, and we need to get them to the proper channel of an attorney.
That's right. So we don't guess on that information, folks. We go ahead and we give you the right resources, and I just think it's super important for people to understand that that's the relationship. So working forward in good faith for our client, disclosing information that's relevant to the contract, remaining confidential in terms of information that's important to not necessarily share out there in the real world. So we wanted to just let you guys know there is such a thing as a law of agency, and should we meet you in person, I'm sure we'll be going over some of this stuff again.
Yeah, not just what we've gone over here, but a little bit more in depth than that. But just to give you an idea that this does exist, because again, it doesn't seem to be shared on a regular basis by most agents.
That's right. So thanks, everybody. We really appreciate your time and attention.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Bye-bye.